We have the PLouise Advent Calendar. I am excited for this one. It looks like a train. We're going to scoot over so you can see a picture. We start off with the golden ticket. This is so much fun. I love the packaging. The packaging on this definitely is over the top. Golden ticket all aboard the PLouise Express, traveling to the destination of your dreams. This first item is a palette. This is a highlighter palette, and these could also double as some really nice eyeshadow toppers, at least in my opinion. Mine too. We got a coffee cup. It says a sip of magic. And most calendars, they would give you this little plastic cup and that would be it for the day. With PLouise, no. Inside, help me out, Fatima. Inside, they put products. I believe these are eyebrow pencils. Hopefully it shows up and is not blurry. These are all the shades of the eyebrow pencils. With the theme of a record called Off the Record, there is a water-activated eyeliner palette. This is just too stinking cute. Help me out here, girl. Get this one open. It does have a mirror. Let's not try to blind the audience. That is what it looks like. Oh, wow, that's neat. I can tell by the scent. I'm allergic to this. I'm not a big eyeliner person anyway, so this will make a nice gift. Yes, it will. Too bad you're allergic, but we know that happens a lot sometimes. We have another day that has come with more than one item. These are all different shades of vase. So I think that's good that they're trying to keep the masses happy and have a little bit of something for everyone. And honestly, you could perhaps even blend a couple shades. I don't know if they blend well. I would think they would. This is a glitter eyeliner, and they came as a set. Oh, wow, those look nice and blingy. I do love me a good bling. How about you? This one is the prime of my life. It's a face primer. How cute. Too stinking cute. Here we have a helping hand. This is a hand cream in the scent Toffee Nut. And I can smell it through the safety seal. Oh, this is a good one. Oh, yes, I can smell it too. It is a good one. In this first part of the train cars, or as they call them, train carriages, Anne has decided, I'd say my top two are the Toffee Nut hand cream and the highlighter palette. And again, the packaging is just too stinking cute. Did you get this? Or did you see something here that you liked? Anne looked around a little bit on the website and it looks like some of these items are available for purchase. But tell me what you like. I want to know because I'm a nosy cow. And now I'm moving right along with this video. In this next part of the train, we have eyelashes. These are stinking cute, just too stinking stinking cute. A variety of length and fullness in there, and I'm trying to do this without blinding everybody. They gave a good variety. I don't need those. I have my own. Yes, we know. Map it out. And it's a full box of lip pencils. And look at those different shades. That's a good variety. I haven't decided if I'm going to keep a couple to maybe use or if this is just going to be a gift. Undecided. We have a lot of things to sort through and we don't mind sharing. We enjoy sharing. Yes, we do. Here we have Glossy and Glazed, a set of body glow or body cream glitter. This looks interesting. Whether I keep all three, that's another story. Like we said, we're going to share some of this. Yes, some will be holiday gifts. Some might show up in giveaways in the new year. Undecided on all of that. We need to sort things through, but this is just adorable. The packaging just gets us. Yes, it does. This is Go the Distance. It's a setting spray, but it could also just be used as a facial refresher. I did take a spritz of this one. It has somewhere between no scent and a very light baby powder scent. So that's nice. And again, the packaging is too stinking cute. How many times am I going to say this in this video? Oh, I like the shimmer and sparkle there. Part of the Dare to Dream collection. And as near as I can tell, it says it's a blinding beam of shimmer liquid highlighter. Also says the cheek of it. This is going to be a fun one to play with. This says it's from the Scrub Club. Oh, so cinnamon is the scent. So we've got a nice lip scrub here. Fits in nicely with the holidays, or for that matter, any time of the year if you ask me. Me too. I want to try it. We'll see about that later. Okay, I can wait. This says Plump Me Pretty. Oh, that's a fun name. It is milk and cookies for the scent. It is a plumping moisturizer. Oh, wow, that ought to be neat. Yes, this is going to go in the give it a try pile. And if anyone is curious, it is 1.76 ounces. So it's a good full-size product. We're not getting just a bunch of little tiny things. We're getting some good full-size products and good variety here. This is Spoil for Choice. It is a group of cream bronzers. And when we first opened this up, I really thought I was smelling cookies. And I really thought she was losing it. But I wasn't. It's scented to smell like chocolate chip cookies. Too stinking cute. Those are the shades, and yeah, I'm sitting here. Me too. It smells like chocolate chip cookies. In this section of the Advent Calendar, or train carriages, and decided, I narrowed it down to my top three, and even that was a little bit difficult. I went with the single highlighter shimmer. That's a good one. They're all good ones. And I went with the plumping moisturizer, milk and cookies. And I went with the lip scrub in the cinnamon. What did you see that you liked? Let me know, let me know, let me know, let me know. Steady there. I've been wondering if you're having too much sugar. Hey, it's the holidays. I get excited. Let me know. What did you like? What did you like? And now, moving right along with this video. In the third carriage of the train, we have Frozen Fix. And this is a mascara. Another Day has 3 powder blushes. This first one is Red Velvet. And then we have Flirty Floss. And then we have the one that I think tickled my fancy the most, which was Paradise Pop. And I wanted to get this one out if I can. Famous last words. Here we go. Out, out, out. This is what it looks like when you take the top of the container off. It comes with its own built-in powder puff. So as near as I can tell, you probably have to turn it upside down and blot it several times to get the color to come forth, but it's your blush and your powder puff built in to one. That's just too stinking cute. I've always liked how they make some of their products into what would be a juice box. That is too stinking cute. This is the shade Cinnamon Roll, and I guess more of a scent than a shade. We have a Protect Your Pout lip conditioner and a Stay Shining lip oil. Oh, I want to try on too. Okay, I'll share. This is Dreamily and Creamily. We're back to the milk and cookies thing. Yeah, this is shaped to look like a milk carton. And that cow. Oh, that cow is adorable. Too stinking cute. And this one has Silky Serum and Dripping Moisture. One of those is a lip serum, and the other one is a lip balm. Too stinking cute. Next, we have the Rosy Rainbow. And I don't think we've mentioned yet this year, on the back, they have little poems that they've written. I'm not going to read you the whole thing, but the first part of this one is standing at the station between platforms Pink and Peach. I noticed the final calling for a train traveling to Rosy Beach. Oh, that's too stinking cute. They really put an awesome effort into this. Yeah, just adorable. And let's see if we can get this blush palette to open. Oh, there it is. A good variety, and you could probably blend a few of those together to create your own shades. Yeah, I bet you could. This is the Keep on Track, Don't Let Anything Hold You Back palette for eye and face. And there it is. Oh, that would be a fun one for travel. Yes. Everything nice and neutral and a nice bit of shimmer at the bottom. Look what we discovered! When we were trying to put it away, we noticed that the bottom half rotates like the train turnaround thing. I can't think of what it's called either. And there's more product under there. Oh my goodness! This is the Precious Cargo Suitcase. You're not gonna believe this one. Too stinking cute. You hold that and gently Can you see them? Can you see them? It's a whole set of brushes. We have to be careful they don't fall on the floor, but can you see them? Can you see them? Too stinking cute. And yeah, there's a whole full-on set of brushes in there. They look like they are of good quality. I'm going to keep them packaged up for now just because I don't need to start a new set right now, but wow. And that was day 24. There's one more day left. What will it be? It's a palette. A great big fat palette with lots of different shades. I believe is the name. Too stinking cute. The I Still Believe palette. You have everything you need if you just believe. And we're going to scoot over. This palette is big and thick, so we're going to put in some pictures here. At some point in time in the new year, I'm going to have a video up of a swatch party in this train carriage. Anne decided that her favorites were the blush powder in Paradise Pop, the one that came with its own little attached powder puff. Too stinking cute. Cinnamon Roll lip products. And, of course, the eyeshadows. What did you like? Let us know. I'm a nosy Carol as always. She's a nosy content creator. As we said, sometime in January, Miss Fatima will have herself a swatch party video, so be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. You don't want to miss that one. Like and comment and all that fun stuff. We hope you have enjoyed our Advent unboxing. We did a lot of them this year. It was fun. Yes, it was. And just a real quick nitty-gritty on this one, in case anyone is wondering. The train did come with wheels. For display and storage purposes, I decided to not attach the wheels. That just worked better for me. And to be honest, I wish they would have had an option where you could pick without the wheels, but so be it. This was a 25-day Advent calendar. It was $313, so that means each day was $12.52. And I did take a peek on the PLouise website, and yes, the value is definitely there. Most of the items were everywhere from $18 all the way up to $52. The brush set was in, I think, the vicinity of $100. So you got your money's worth. Oh, yes, we did. Estimated value on this one was $637. Now, granted, that was with me having to do a conversion from pounds into US dollars, and that could go up or down depending upon how the conversion rate currently is. But we had a fun time with this calendar. Unfortunately for us, some of the lights did not work. Even though we got brand new batteries, we couldn't get some of the lights to work. That was a little disappointing, but there's more to the calendar than just the lights. So very true. So again, thank you for joining us on this wild holiday express that we've been on with all these Advent calendars. Boy, this was fun. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell. We got some more stuff coming up for you this week and heading into the new year. Happy New Year, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, happy whatever you want to celebrate, have a happy. That's what my granny used to say, have a happy. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Hope to see you soon.